Python argparse command line flags without arguments. How do I add an optional flag to my command line args? E.g. so I can write. Or I tried. But I just get an error message saying, which I take it means that it wants an argument value for the W option. What's the way of just accepting a flag? I'm finding this URL rather opaque on this question.
As you have it, the argument W is expecting a value after W on the command line. If you are just looking to flip a switch by setting a variable true or false, have a look here, specifically store_true and store_false. Where action equals store_true implies default equals false. Conversely, you could have the action equals store_false, which implies default equals true.
Adding a quick snippet to have it ready to execute. Source, mipausa.py. Usage.
Your script is right, but by default is of none type. So it considers true of any other value other than none is assigned to args.argument_name variable. I would suggest you to add action equals store_true. This would make the true/false type a flag. If used, it's true else false. Usage. After parsing, when checked with args.f, it returns true.
If you are looking for a binary flag, then the argparse action store_true or store_false provide exactly this. This approach is well explained in the accepted answer by HDOG. The official docs are also fairly clear. I would only complete the example with one line, so to make it very clear how the store_true/store_false act. A slightly more powerful approach is to use the count action. You typically have used this type of flag already when setting a verbosity level when running a command. For example, SSH's verbose mode flag V is a counter. V verbose mode causes SSH to print debugging messages about its progress. This is helpful in debugging connection, authentication, and configuration problems. Multiple options increase the verbosity. The maximum is 3. So if you run SSH, it's non-verbose, SSHV is slightly verbose, and SSHVVV is maximally verbose. With argparse in Python, such a counter flag can be defined as follows. If you want to use it as a boolean, true/false, flag, then you need to cast args.verbose into a boolean. You can either do this explicitly yourself, or rely a conditional statement like if args.verbose : ... Here is a full working example to illustrate how you can use the counter flag. With the script test.py. You get the following outputs.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.